Most people believe saving your first $1,000 is about earning more money. They think they need a better job, a side hustle, or some lucky opportunity, but that's not where it starts. It starts with how you think about money long before your income changes. If I had to start from zero today, this is exactly how I would save my first $1,000 using minimalist principles that work no matter how much you earn. No extreme budgeting, no cutting out everything you enjoy, no unrealistic rules, just simple shifts that create real momentum. Welcome to Daily Finance Lab. Before saving a single dollar, I would change one belief. Saving is not about restriction, it's about prioritization. Minimalism isn't about owning nothing or living with less just for the sake of it. It's about removing what doesn't matter, so your money can finally support what does. Most people don't struggle with money because they don't earn enough. They struggle because their money is constantly leaking into things that add very little value to their lives. So the first step isn't saving more, it's noticing more. I would start by tracking where my money actually goes for 1 week, not to judge it, not to feel guilty, just to become aware. Because awareness alone changes behavior. Then, instead of cutting everything, I would focus on just 3 areas. First, subscriptions I don't actively use. If I haven't used it in the last 30 days, it's gone. Second, convenience spending I won't remember next week. Food deliveries, impulse purchases, small upgrades that feel good for 5 minutes and disappear. Third, purchases driven by boredom, stress, or comparison. Buying things because I'm tired scrolling or trying to feel better. Every dollar I don't spend in these areas becomes a dollar that moves me closer to 1,000. And here's the key part. I wouldn't wait until I have extra money to start saving. I would automate it immediately. Even if it feels too small to matter. $5 a day, $10 a week, whatever is realistic. Because the amount isn't what builds progress. Consistency does. Minimalism works so well for saving because it reduces decision fatigue. When you have fewer choices, you make better ones. You don't need willpower if your system does the work for you. Next, I would give that $1,000 a purpose, not just savings. A reason. Emergency buffer, peace of mind, options. Money with purpose is harder to spend impulsively. And as the balance grows, something interesting happens. You start trusting yourself. Your confidence increases, you stop feeling behind. That first $1,000 isn't just money, it's proof. Proof that you can set a goal and follow through. Proof that you're not stuck. Proof that financial freedom isn't about luck. It's about systems. Once you save your first $1,000, the next goal feels possible. $2,000 doesn't sound crazy. $5,000 doesn't feel unreachable. That's how momentum is built. And that's how financial freedom actually starts, not with more income, not with complex strategies, but with clarity, simplicity, and control. If this helped you rethink how saving really works, you'll want to stay here. On this channel, we break down money, mindset, and simple systems anyone can use, one step at a time. Subscribe to Daily Finance Lab for daily advice and practical lessons designed to help you build real financial freedom. And remember this, you don't need more money to start, you need a better strategy.